Welcome back to my channel. You know the name. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. It is 7 in the morning. We're going out. We're going out, guys. We're going, you know where we're going? We're going to the beach. So guys, we are going to the beach. And we have a special guest that we're gonna meet up at the beach. AKA Isam Halo. You guys come with me, spend the day at the beach. See you guys when we're at doing something. Hey guys, we're at the beach. Say hi, mommy.
Hi, baby.
It's kind of Silent Hilly. We are here. Issa's over there. Say hi, Issa. Is it cute? Is it cute? Oh my god. Alright, we're gonna go enjoy the beach.
Oh, you're recording already? Hey, guys. So we're eating soggy.
Ew, it's really soggy. I wish this was like detachable.
Yeah.
I was just here.
Mm,
You're like sucking on it.
I'm like mad now. Come on, call my papas. Where all
Guys, we got a
the
Subway.
time goes.
Started to rain. It's the You wanna buy?
Huh?
Buy?
Yes, I do. It actually looks good. Let's get my camera. Is tuna?
No, chicken.
Oh, it's soggy.
I hate that. Why does it sound like that? Oh my god. Guys, we have a Trumpy next to us.
We have a one. Oh, yeah, we do. He has shorts of that. Like, are you stupid?
Alright guys, back to our schedule program.
¿Va a comer ya? No quiero comer todavía, no tiene hambre.
Are you sure?
It's dripping everywhere. You want to borrow my car? And I'm like, let me get
Alright, bye guys, see you when we're like doing something now. Guys, we're leaving the beach. I'm burnt to the crisp. We're at the city of Hamilton. See you when I go. We're back home. I just got out the shower and I feel amazing. Alright guys, thank you for watching my YouTube video. It wasn't much, but hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications. So whenever I post anyways. And see you guys next week. Maybe? I don't know. And guys, don't forget, life is a blind box.